This is our Acer Yasmin. It's a potted Japanese maple, and I should have really potted it early in the year just before the spring, but I didn't get a chance to. It's been struggling a little bit during the summer. It's got a little bit windburn, especially on those upper leaves, possibly because it needed a repot, or the tree's just reshaping itself. We've got a few lower branches which have died. And what you find is they're a lighter colour, they go lighter greyish white compared to the healthy stems and branches. As you can see possibly there from the two colours, it's a lot lighter. But also during the summer you can tell these branches from the healthy branches which have leaves on. These ones won't have any leaves at all, and that's a good clue to tell you that these branches have failed. And the technical term for this is dieback. So all we do is we prune these off and we go back to a healthy part of the tree. In this case it's the trunk, so we prune off an inch past the join there, so it's just there, just like that. I was told by my mentor it's the best way to do it, and again with this one, just there. So we tidied up that lower part of the tree, and in the coming year these little stubs will dry out even more, and they'll be easily pruned a little bit shorter if needed, just to tidy it up later on. Now I was taught that you leave this about an inch, because if it rains and then damp settles, if you pruned it here, damp would settle around the joint close to the trunk. So now if any damp will be at the tip, and it won't really work its way into the tree. So that's all we do, is prune them off. That's just another little summer maintenance job. Check the rest of the tree while we're here. There's a couple of little bits at the back there. As you can see, this branch has failed. It's got a different colour, a mottly, sometimes a brownish mottly colour, light colours in there, and it just died back to the join there. And the same here, this one's failed. So again, we just snip them off there. But in the winter, if you're not used to pruning, and some trees, especially the older trees, it's quite difficult. I find it quite difficult because some of the older trees, the healthy branches and stems can be quite light as well, so it's hard to tell dieback branches from the healthy branches. So the best time to do that with them sort of trees is in the summer, because as you can see, a branch with leaves on is healthy, and if you've got a branch that's got no leaves on at all, you're 99% sure that's dead. So that's another part 3 in the summer maintenance on Japanese maples. So just carefully go around your tree, look for those dead branches. Some of them might just be tips, some might be longer branches like the ones I've just pruned off. That'll help tidy your tree up as well in appearance, but also avoids you trying to do this in the winter when you're unsure of which branches to prune out. So it's best to do that during the summer. Okay, thanks now.